is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we got the G20 330i back in the garage and we're going to be doing a bunch of work today. First off, we're going to be starting off with this grill. We're going to be blacking that out, and then we're also going to be blacking out all this chrome along the windows. So we got some stuff for that, and then we're also going to be debadging the car, getting rid of the Xdrive emblem, getting rid of the 330i emblem, and then just cleaning that up so we can have a cleaner rear end on this car. So we got a bunch of stuff planned. It is really hot outside today, so you're probably gonna see me sweat a little bit, unfortunately, but yeah, let's get started. It's just a bunch of like random stuff. There we go. Nope, now you gotta pull it again. Right. Get a BMW this way. Oh, that looks nice. And I'm guessing this is where the sensor goes? Or is that the camera? New one right there. Got the old one right here. If you go get like the F80 style grills, that'd be dope. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look. Now that I'm looking at it, this grill is huge. So I think we just gotta take off these little clips and then pull this entire thing apart. Yeah. Go ahead, start pulling it.
I don't think it's gonna be that easy though.
It should come out now.
I don't think so.
Go ahead, I'll do this side first. Go ahead, start pulling this side. I'll do those, you just pull. Yeah.
No, it's not budget.
No? So now, we just try not to break these clips. I'll start with this side. One more in here. It's like way in the corner. Oh, this is also on the way too, your license plate. You gotta take that off.
Great.
Alright, put that down. And luckily, we didn't break any clips. You do need to pull on this a little bit harder than you think, and then unplug this front camera right here. So now, just gotta throw the new one on. Should be pretty simple. Where is that? Oh, yeah, right here. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. That does not sound good.
What?
The clicking sounds? No, I don't think I got the bottom ones yet. No.
All the top ones are in there.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need to do the bottom first and then move our way up. Alright, we found the secret. Push as hard as you can. But yeah, I think we got everything in. And just like that, we got the entire front grille blacked out. You can barely even see it right now. It's kind of a good thing, I'm guessing. Yeah, that looks really good. So he's just gonna back it in. We're gonna work on deleting the badges, and then finally get to wrapping all the chrome black. So step 1 of 3 completed. So now we got step number 2 right here. I taped around the entire thing just so I don't scrape up his paint. And from there, we're just gonna start prying the badges off. And then we have, where's that tool, Amir? And we also picked up this little rubber reel. This is actually the best thing you can use for debadging, because all that extra 3M tape that gets stuck on. So yeah, This, you gotta be really careful with this because if you go too aggressive, you could burn through your clear coat or your paint. So just gotta work through it very slowly. See if we can get this thing open. And it's made out of rubber, so you'll see it slowly just start ripping off. Now, just take all this off. And we just gotta clean up that with the rubber wheel. Once you take the badge off, you're gonna see all that residue on there, and this is how it should look after. So obviously you're still gonna see some marking on there, but with a good like small polish and a buff out, that should come up. But even now, it's looking pretty clean, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But yeah, we got everything cleaned up. It's looking nice, both of those. And now grab this and move on to blacken all this chrome up, which I hope isn't too hard. The reason we got 4-inch was for this exact piece right here, but the 4-inch is gonna be pretty big for this. But we're gonna go ahead and clean this up properly and start wrapping. So we were working on wrapping all the trim, right? And we got done one part, but then Amir said, you know what? I want this car to stand out a little bit, right? I want it to be unique. So he asked us to throw, you can't even see it on camera, a racing stripe in gloss black on top of gloss black right across the hood of the car. Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. Got it? Ah, who cares? Now we just rip off this protective film. Yeah, you got it, you got it.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Wow. you really can't tell that's on there. Can you? On camera I can't. That's solid. Dude, good job.
Thanks, man.
No, this is the new H90. Solid. I think that looks great. Amir, what do you think of our services?
It's nice.
No, but seriously, we're not wrapping any of this anymore. It was just way too time consuming, so we did one piece. Now we're just gonna leave it like that and pull this car out. What do you gotta do? Don't take it off. But yeah, we got the front grille done. Actually, the front grille looks amazing. It looks really nice. And we're not gonna do any of this. I guess we'll probably leave it for another day. And then we got the rear badges all taken off, and it just makes the car look a little bit sleeker. But let's clean up, pull the car out, and then show you guys kind of like a final product. So we got the car outside, and as you can see, it is looking absolutely amazing. We even blacked out these rear deflectors right here, or reflectors, sorry, and we did that on both sides. But the front grille looks super nice, and I think it really changes up the look of the car. And eventually I think they're gonna lower or he's gonna lower this car a little bit. So it'll be looking nice and pretty. And then obviously he got the tint done, so it is a little bit more blacked out than before, but overall the car looks amazing. He said he didn't like the racing stripe, so unfortunately the customer's always right. Boo.
Lost so much speed, bro.
But that is it for today's video. We got a good amount of work done. We got his new grill in, we blacked out the reflectors on the back, we even debadged his car. So overall it's looking really nice. And I think in the next video we're gonna be focusing on the seats again. So if you haven't seen the last video, go click on that, watch that. I got some new seats for the E30. We're gonna be working on creating a custom bracket for that. Hopefully get those in once the car is back, but not sure when it's gonna get back yet. So definitely stay tuned. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.